In this video I'm going to show you how to add watchers in Jira. So what you need to do is open your Jira account, and after that you need to navigate towards your project. Make sure you will select the right project so you can focus on that task. After that, once you have selected the project, you will see this overview will be opened. Now what you can do is go to the board, and there you will find your to-do tasks. Now as you can see, we have our to-do task over here, and if I click on it, the to-do task will be opened. Now the next step is go to the little eye icon on the right top interface and select the watch options. After that you will find a add watchers button and you can select that. Now if you type the name of the new watcher which you want to add into this list, it will appear. Once you have added the name, the watcher will be added into this task. And this is how you add watchers in Jira. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.